Hey guys, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to share PDF file from laptop to mobile. So it's very easy. So for that, we are going to open a new tab. So I have opened Google Chrome browser. Now let's search for WeTransfer. And this is the site we are going to use. So let's click on that. So now we need to accept all terms and conditions. So let's click on accept. Okay, now let's click on agree. So now we need to upload our PDF file. So for that, just click on the plus icon, and this is the PDF we are going to upload. And it's so now we need to change the settings. So here you can see three dot icon. Just click on that, and so we are going to choose the get transfer link. Okay. So now you can change the title from here, and you can write a message. Now let's click on get a link. So you will get a link from here. Now it's uploading. So now you need to wait a couple of seconds. So it's depend on the file size, and it's uploaded. Almost there. Okay, now just copy the link from here, or you can just copy link. Okay, now you can send the link using your messenger or WhatsApp. So when you open the link in your mobile, then you will see this type of options. Just click on agree, and you can download the PDF file. Just click on download, and then it will be downloading. So it's downloading. So it's downloaded. So this is how you can share PDF file from laptop to mobile. So you need to just copy the link and paste the link anywhere, like your social media, Facebook, WhatsApp, or email. Then you can get the file easily. So hopefully this video help you out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.